Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And this case is made by EGV. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the EGV case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with 2-pack screen protector. It's a soft back TPU, premium hybrid. This is the black version. $11.99 on Prime. You can get a $3 coupon if you click the coupon right there. So that's even more savings, under 10 bucks. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so here's the box, protective case cover, military standard drop protection, they say. All right, nothing else on it, pretty plain. So let's pull this out. Now, you get some other accessories in here. You get a screen protector. This is a guide to put that on. And there's some other equipment to help with that. I'm not gonna put that on right now. I don't really use screen protectors anyway, but you got the screen protectors in here. So that's pretty cool they sent that though. Just other guide equipment. I'll put that to the side right there, but these all come with it to be able to use the screen protector if you want to, okay? So here's the case. So it's a pretty slim case, hard PCU back, stiff sides, shiny side right here. So it's sticky, so that's good, not too slippery. I like that. And you got cut out around the cameras, raised up a little bit, so that should protect the camera there. And this whole back is raised up a little bit, as you can see right there. So this plastic, this clear back doesn't really touch the surface. So that's pretty cool because it's raised up. So that's pretty cool right there. You got your power button and your volume down all closed up. And you got your mic hole, charging port, speaker, and your S Pen open right there. And your mic hole up top. Nothing on this side, pretty clean. And it's pretty clean over here as well, all right, other than the power button. Okay, we're gonna get the device, put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the Note 20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put this inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so that's pretty good fit. Very slim, but you do have some lip, a little bit of lip on the front, not a whole lot, but it's a little bit there. The sides don't come up too high, so I think you'd be good with the screen protector. It's not moving around, so it's fairly snug. Not moving around when I squeeze or anything. Your cutouts all line up, your mic hole, your charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. You can get to that no problem. And you got your speaker hole up top, that's lined up. You see that right there, no problem there. Power button works good. Now, this is a very slim case, all right? And the camera is well protected. And it's close, but it's protected. You can see that right there. That's pretty close, all right? But you do get some protection there, all right? So you gotta be careful with this one. But it's very slim and sleek, and it's a pretty nice case. Now, the line, you know, when you have these lines in the back, it's got that, it's not as smooth. The curve is not as smooth on the back, so you got to pay attention to that as well. That's going to be there. But otherwise, it's a good looking case. All right, let's check out wireless charge and see what it does. Okay, so we got the wireless charger. Let's put this on. Picked up wireless charge, no problem. So these thin cases, they usually have no problem with wireless charge. Okay. Okay, so that was a quick look at another case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This case is made by EGV. It's the protective cover, very thin, sleek, and something you might like. Not a whole lot of protection, but it will give scratch protection in minor drops. Set military standard, but we don't know. I won't be testing that, all right? But if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.